So, hey guys, welcome to my first program. Um, as I posted on here a week or two ago, I am trying some recipes and trying to get into making bratwurst jerky, nice snacks, yummy snacks. Today, I am doing sauce, excuse me. This is one of the recipes I found online. Now, this is getting taken from online. I am trying them with the original recipe first. And if I feel like I need to, I will tweak the recipe just a little bit. And I'll let you guys know. But until then, here's one of the recipes I found. Now, this recipe is from... I do not remember. Let me see here. I think it's like the Kitchen Connection or something like that. Homemade jalapeno cheddar. Oh, by the way, it says homemade jalapeno cheddar. However, I am not doing jalapenos. I am doing serranos. Not srirachas, serranos. So, yeah, my family likes a little bit spicier, so let's see here. And I will tell you where that recipe came from. That way I don't get in trouble legally. Oh, you know what? It is connected. Holy smokes. Sorry, my internet's slow. Oh, I have the... I think this is it. Here, let me see here. Yep, that's it. I was wrong. It is sparklesofyum.com. Right there. So, as I said, as time goes on, I will either keep them the same or tweak them just a tad bit. However, right now, last night I did all the seasonings and whatnot. Today, I am mixing it all together because my meat was a little bit frozen yesterday. And of course, because I got spoiled Christmas, I'm using my new favorite toy. One of my new favorite toys. And don't mind the mess in my kitchen. That is right now until I get recipes down. I am only doing it for my family. But as time goes on, I will be selling anything and everything I do. But you just stir it up a little bit.